following the surge in COVID-19 cases in Manipur, the entire Greater Imphal region, which comprises parts of Imphal West and Imphal East districts, have been declared a containment zone for a period of 7 days. That's why, viewers, all activities and movement of people have been suspended, while only the essential services will be allowed to operate. Besides personnel deployed for essential services, COVID vaccinations, testing and medical emergencies. However, in a partial lockdown mode, grocery stores, shops selling essential items will be allowed to remain open from 6 a.m. till 10 a.m. each day. All right, and to tell us more on this big development, I'm being joined now live from Imphal by my colleague Sharath Chandra. Sharath, a lockdown-like restrictions in place in Imphal. Is there any panic amongst the residents at this point in time? And how is the government's handling of the situation, Sharath?
Well, Ronak, in Manipur, particularly very precisely in the Greater Imphal area, the containment zone has been declared. The entire Greater Imphal area now comes under containment zone for 1 week, starting from today. And you see, as you have rightly mentioned, that the peoples have given time for around about 4 hours, that is starting from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. to buy the essentials items, and during this hour, people, general public can buy, and also all the vegetable vendors market and the grocery shop will remain open. And yes, so far as the pharmacy is concerned, the pharmacy can remain open during this restriction hour also. Yes, looking into this COVID spike, daily COVID spike, people do feel fear that in case they are taking part in the crowd, they are taking part in the gathering, they also can be infected with this infectious new variant of this COVID-19. And you see, looking into this, Manipur also do have this consultative committee for COVID-19, and this is chaired by the Chief Minister and Biren Singh himself. And last evening, they took this decision, and it came into effect from today. So this will go for 1 week, and after 1 week, the review meeting will be held. And in the review meeting, in case the COVID spike is just able to control this spread of this coronavirus, then I think review meeting will held, and they will make a future decision. Right. So far as today's fresh updation from the health services Manipur is concerned, today also 271 persons tested positive for COVID-19, and today's death toll is also 5. So overall, the active cases in Manipur right now is 1,716. So this is from the last couple of days, we are seeing that the positive cases daily basis is coming up 200 above, sometimes 300 above. Yesterday, that exact figure was 314 people tested positive for COVID-19. So looking into this scenario, the authority, very precisely the COVID Consultative Committee of Manipur, they have compelled to impose this strict form of this, I should say it's like a partial lockdown in Manipur. And during this, yes, people do have the hardship during these days, but this is the only option to stop the spread of this coronavirus amongst the crowded places. So that is the reason the entire Greater Imphal area has come to this containment, has been declared as containment zone, and very strict restrictions is already given out. Yes, all the essential service categories being exempted from this restriction. And yes, we have to see this situation, COVID spike situation, in the coming 1 week. And I hope the government will take a decision after 1 week in case COVID spike just able to control the spread of the COVID-19 in the state of Manipur.
Right, absolutely. Sharath, as you very rightly pointed out, the grocery shops have been allowed to open for 4 hours from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. So, how was the rush today? Are people maintaining the minimum social distancing at this point in time?
Yeah, this buying time given to the general public, it is only 4 hours starting from 6 a.m. Up to 10 a.m. So that is the reason police also are having hard time to control the crowd, because 4 hours given time is I think it is not enough, but yes, for the time being, to stop the spread of the infectious new variant of COVID-19 is concerned, this is the only option taken up by the Manipur state government. But the people also need to abide by the strict form of SOPs, strict form of this any notification given out by the state government. But as of now, you see, just to stop the spread of the COVID-19 in the state of Manipur, very particularly, very precisely in the greater Imphal area, I also want to tell the viewers that the Imphal is a very crowded place, very thickly populated. That is the reason, perhaps that is the reason, the state government, very precisely COVID-19 Consultative Committee of Manipur, have declared the entire greater Imphal area under containment zone for a week. Ronak.
Right, absolutely. And Sharath, at this point in time, another very important question does come to mind, that at a time when the vaccination is being seen as a weapon against the virus, will Manipur be actually able to start the vaccination process for the 18 to 44 years age category from tomorrow?
You see, before that, I also want to tell the viewers that today also we have seen large number of crowd in every rural health center and urban health center, and in the district hospital across the different districts of Manipur. And yes, we already witnessed long queues, long crowd waiting for the vaccination. Now people do come up in the large number for the vaccination, as they are feeling that in case they are not vaccinated, they can be infected. This is the fear psychosis, and this trigger the people to come out very heavily to the COVID vaccination center. Yes, so far as this 18 plus years, age of 18 plus is concerned, that is already announced starting from May 1. Yesterday, I talked to the this Manipur Health Services Immunization Officer, Dr. Nandakishore, and he is speaking exclusively with the Notice Live, informed that as Manipur government is procuring new consignment of this vaccine, they won't be able to start actual vaccination of the 18 years plus from May 1. So it is likely to postpone. I think in this case, Manipur is not only the state to postpone the vaccine, facing the acute shortage of vaccine, this vaccine doses. So Manipur also facing the same thing. Manipur government have already given the order for the new vaccination consignment, and I think to receive new doses, I think it will take time. So that is the reason that Dr. Nandakishore informed us, Notice Live very exclusively, that Manipur is likely to postpone May 1 drive targeting 18 plus year for vaccination. Ronak.
Right, absolutely. Sharath Chandra, thank you very much for joining us at this point in time and sharing all of those latest details. So there you have it, viewers. The vaccination drive for the 18 plus age category likely to get postponed in Manipur in light of the shortage of vaccines. Of course, the government of Manipur has already placed the order for the consignment. However, in all likelihood, it seems that the vaccination process will not be starting from the 1st of May.